pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, y'all know you're my babies, my gems. Yes, and I'm so excited that you clicked on this video. Guys, I have got the large Huda bag mystery box bag. I don't know, but anyhow, here it is here. I am so excited. I did not put on any lip products because I am so hoping there's some in here. But I did use the Barbarella or Barbarella palette. Yes. Well, this is cute, but it was just laying on top. Okay. Let's see. Oh my goodness. I am so excited. Guys, look. Ah! Okay. I'm loving this bag. Look at this. That it came in. I love that. And it's got bubble wrap inside it, in between it. Wow. Okay. That's really neat. Okay. So, we all know that sometimes Huda and I don't get along. Some of her eyeshadow palettes I've been like, in the past. So, I'm really liking this holographic bag though. And now I'm excited to see what's in here. Come on. The zippers don't want to, here we go. Okay, I see stickers. That's a little interesting if you ask me. Stickers. Okay, so guys, it comes in this beautiful holographic bag right here. Look at this. Isn't that awesome? I was like, wow. And we got stickers in there, which I think is pretty cute. Will I use them? No, but what are you gonna do, right? Okay, so I did not put on lip gloss because I wanted to try this. I already put it on. Guys, I forget exactly what I paid for it, but look at this. It's not really sticky, her lip gloss. It's not too bad, so I'm kind of excited about that. I'll have to put prices here so you guys can see everything. Then I got this lip balm, which is pretty awesome too. Look at how pretty. And the packaging is just to die for. This is a light balm with a little bit of a sparkle, not much, but I'm liking that, especially as you get tan and stuff like that. It'll show up a little bit. It's something you can wear to the pool. And then, okay, the Huda highlights. Are you ready for this? This is insane. Look. Tell me that's not awesome. I'm like, yeah. Okay, so this one here is creamy, and the rest are powders, and I am swatching them for you. Oh, I'm loving this. I have her bronzer. That's what I thought this was at first, but it's not. Okay, so I just can't. I can't even get over this. And I just got back from being out in the sun. Look at these colors. I'm so excited. For the inner corner, like, that would be amazing, some of these. And then this one here, I could totally use right here. I mean, I am super happy with that. Super happy with it. Okay, the next thing that I got was the dual-ended eyeliner. And they have the gel on one end and then the liquid. Her liquid is a little bit different. This is not going to be beginner friendly. I'm just going to be honest with you. So doing a wing with that is going to be harder than what it would be with a marker looking like one, just so you know. And then this end here, oh, that side pops off, is your gel. see those right there? Yes, I love me some black eyeliner. I really wasn't sure if I was gonna like this or not. I'm kind of excited. Okay, so then the next thing that I got was a Beauty Blender sponge, and it's the one that has the flat side to it, which I like. I like a lot. Okay, so it comes in this little packaging. Then there is a moisturizer. It says Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer, and it's got lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric. And those are some really good ingredients. And it's even like holographic. Like, look at that. And it's really neat. So I'm excited to try that. And then guys, guess what I got in here? I got the Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Like, oh, yes. This is one I have not tried from her, and I'm so hoping it is a good formula like the Rose Gold Remastered we just got in Boxy. No, it was Ipsy Glam Bag X. Oh my gosh, I can't even. I'm like, you see these colors? Like, look at this. Yeah. Wow, like on tan skin, are you kidding right now? I have to swatch them. I just have to do it. It just, I needed a minute just to have some coffee. That is good. Okay, let's swatch these babies. Okay. I am so excited. A new palette to play with? Yeah. Look at these. I hope this formula is good. Okay. Alright, alright. That is, I'm going in 3s. Ooh, that one is really creamy. Oh my gosh. Look at. Do you see it? All right. Yes. Row 3 here. Guys, look at that. How amazing is that? Oh my gosh. I am going to have so much fun with this. And I'm loving these, like, that one's like a glitter. Ooh. They're swatching pretty well. I'm going to say that they are. So I'm excited. I'm really hoping that this formula is good. We've got a pretty good amount of mattes and shimmers. Look at these colors. Yes, baby. Do you see it? Do you see it? In the last row. Oh man. Yes. Wow. Oh, yes. Okay, yeah. I am definitely going to have a ball with this. What do you guys think of the Huda mystery box? Now, first off, I'm going to be honest with you. This is well curated. There's an eyeshadow palette. There's eyeliner. There is lip balm and lip gloss and a moisturizer. Like, you can't get better than that. And then there's highlights. So, wow. I mean, like, this is going to be so much fun playing with that. And then we've got the highlight right here. And like I said, we've got the moisturizer. And it's all going to fit. And got the sponge. It's all going to fit right in this bag, which I'm loving. This is a really cool bag. I wonder what the markup is going to be on it. I'm going to have to look on the website and find out what I paid for it so I can put it in here for you guys. But I'm so loving this bag. Like, I'm really liking it a lot. I do not regret purchasing this. I think this is amazing. So now I need to know your thoughts. Put them down in the comments below. Would you be excited if you got this bag? Do you think it's worth it? I'm going to put the prices and different things in here so you will know what it totals out to if you were to buy it separately, and then what I actually paid for this box, whatever. I just got so flustered I can't even talk. So that's that. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I am so excited. I can't wait to play with all this, and I will look forward to telling you guys and showing you guys. I think we're gonna have to do a look with that palette. Yes, I will see you guys real soon in another video.
In the moment.